Hi everyone, I already in the Philippines. Today is Sunday, 24 November already. And last night I just arrived Philippines. And now afternoon we going to the dentist with Shaira, because Shaira have problem with, what Shaira say? Wisdom, you know, it's not easy to remove. That's why I go together with her. She waiting me maybe 1 week?
1 week.
1 week,
2
because,
weeks.
Yes, 20 days are in my business trip. And she don't want to go alone, and she don't want to go to with your family. She said only with me. That's why we going to Mabalacat, and this is dentist. It's not what Shaira. It's a dentist only work for Filipina in the Mabalacat in Barangay. Yeah? It's
no,
not.
Sometimes we have also another branch there in Mabala, another part.
Another. So we go. I will show if allowed. I will show how about dentist in the Barangay, in the Mabalacat city. It's not in our Barangay, in other Barangay, but it's in Mabalacat city. We just arrived. Dentist here. It's a simple house, but inside like hospital inside. It's my Barangay Mabiga in Mabalacat. Shaira, are you scared? First time? Not? Wisdom, first time or not? Not? Wisdom, Shaira, wisdom is not easy, you know. First time.
Because I have one here. I don't know if they will gonna remember it here. But it's kasi ng butas eh.
Butas lang.
Okay.
Crack.
Shaira afraid. Now Shaira okay? Bye. What you want? Cola? Better not now.
I want
No, not now.
small
Pain now, not?
look itchy and pain.
Okay, let's go to home. You need rest. We just stop in the market to buy vegetable because don't have vegetable in home. I just arrived Philippines last night, so we will buy right now and later go to home. And also tonight I will go to Walking Street and meet with Georgi and filming, of course. So you can watch next video from Walking Street also. Shaira will choose tomato also. Good tomato here. Cucumber. Carrot also Shaira need and cucumber. Potato Shaira, potato need also. Yeah, this one choose. Mango. Mango maybe not season now. Excuse me, how much mango right now? 180 now. Oh, okay. Anyway, in Russia mango 600 peso for 1 kilo. In the Philippines expensive, but in Russia more expensive. No season now. Lemon also. How much lemon? pieces, Shaira, is 50 peso. Okay, thank you. Shaira, you okay? Pain? What you want to buy? Cosmetics you want to buy. Sunset in Mabalacat City. Name of tree, Balakat. City name, Mabalacat. Why Ma? What is Ma? You don't know. Okay. Oh, you can buy, yeah. Iced tea, what is? Gulaman beta. Gulaman. Now already half iced tea, half water. Okay, this one rich, okay. It's also good. Shaira won't buy cosmetics here. Shaira said she repair two tools and one remove. How much, Shaira, you paid for total?
For 2 repair and 1 remove, it's 1,500.
1,500 only?
Yes, because it's my tooth, big tooth. They need to just only repair. It's like it's fit like this, so they need to fix it only, and then they will gonna remove only the baby teeth in my gum. That's why it's always damaged. Better remove first the baby teeth rather than to remove all, because it's all better.
Okay.